will start new concept, homogeneous second degree equation. What is the degree of a term? We discuss the degree of a term. The sum of the indices of all variables in a term is called the degree of the term. This is the most important. The sum of the indices of all variables in a term is called the degree of the term. For example, x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. What is the degree of this equation? Firstly, we see that the degree of x square, the variable x, the degree of x square, the degree of a term x square means 2. Degree of a term is 2. The x square is the degree of a term is 2. Therefore, next is 3xy. 3 into xy, there are two variables. First variable is a x and second variable is a y. This degree is all indices means x raised to 1 and y raised to 1. This addition is a 2. Degree of a term is 2. 3xy, the degree of x is a 1, degree of y is a 1. The sum of all indices means 1 plus 1 is a 2. Degree of the term is 2. And next is minus 2y square. What is the degree of term? Minus 2y square is the degree of a term is 2. Variable is a y. Y square means degree of a term is a 2. And next is a 5 into x. 5x. What is the degree of a term? The degree of a term is 1. Variable is a x. The indices is a 1. 5x means the degree of a term is a 1. X raised to 1 means degree of a term is a 1. Therefore 2 is a constant. There is a no degree. This degree is a 0. Degree of a term is a 0. This is a not considered. 2 is a constant term. This degree of a term is a 2. This is a not considered. It's okay. Next, we see that homogeneous equation. What is the homogeneous equation? Is an equation in which the degree of every term is the same is called homogeneous equation. An equation in which the degree of every term is the same is called homogeneous equation. For example, first example is x square plus 5xy equal to 0. X square plus 5xy equal to 0 is a homogeneous equation. What is the degree same? The variable x square is a degree of x square is a 2. Degree of 5xy. What is the degree of 5xy? Variable x is a 1 and variable y is a 1. This addition is a 2. Means degree of x square is a 2 and 5xy is also 2. Therefore, the degree is the same is called homogeneous equation. For example, second example is 3xy minus 2y square equal to 0. What is the homogeneous equation? 3xy is a degree 2. The degree of x is a 1 and degree of y is a 1. Minus 2 into y square. The degree of y square, the variable y is a 2. the degree of y square is a 2, therefore is a homogeneous equation. Is a homogeneous equation. A homogeneous equation. And third example is x square plus 7xy plus 5y square equal to 0. What is the degree of this example? The degree of x square is a 2 and degree of 7xy is also 2. The degree of x is a 1, degree of y is a 1, this addition is a 2. Degree of y square is a 2, therefore degree of x square is a 2, 7xy is a 2 and degree of 5y square is a 2, therefore is a homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation. And next is the example fourth is x square plus 5x equal to 0. What is the homogeneous equation? This is not a homogeneous equation. Why? The degree of x square is a 2 and degree of 5x is a 1. 5 is a coefficient of x, variable is a x, degree is a 1. This is a not same. The degree of x square is a 2 and degree of x is a 1. This is a not homogeneous equation. This is a not homogeneous equation. This is a not homogeneous equation. Do you understand? And discuss the next theorem, homogeneous second degree equation in x and y. This statement is theorem 2. This statement is the combined equation of a pair of lines passing through the origin is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y, or prove that the homogeneous second degree equation in x and y is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Let the equation proof is, let the equation of line passing through the origin. B. First is a1x plus b1y. a1x plus b1y equal to 0. This is the equation first. The line first is passing through the origin. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and origin is a 0. Passing through the origin, first line is a1x plus b1y and second line is a2x plus b2y. Therefore, a2x plus b2y equal to 0. This is the equation second. Join the equation first and second. Join the equation first and second. First and equation second. Therefore, a1x plus b1y into a2x plus b2y equal to 0. We multiply a1x plus b1y into a2x plus b2y. Therefore, a1x multiply a1x into a2x plus b2y, a1x into a2x. Therefore, a1 into a2, x into x is a x square, plus a1x into b2y, a1 b2 x into y is a xy, plus we multiply b1y into a2x plus b2y, b1y into a2x, b1 a2 y into x is a xy. we multiply b1y into b2y, b1 b2 b1 b2 y into y square equal to 0. Therefore, let a1 a2 equal to small a1 b2 and b1 a2 equal to small h, and therefore small b1 into b2 equal to small b. Put the value of this equation a1 a2 into x square plus a1 b2 xy plus b1 a2 xy plus b1 b2 y square equal to 0. Therefore a1 a2, the value of a1 a2 is a small a, therefore a into x square plus the value of a1 b2 is a small h into xy plus the value of b1 b2 is b1 a2 is small h into xy plus the value of b1 b2 is a small b into y square equal to 0. Therefore ax square plus hxy plus hxy, the coefficient of hxy is a 1 and coefficient of hxy is a 1. This addition is hxy plus hxy is a 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This is the homogeneous second degree equation in x and y. This is the homogeneous second degree equation in x and y. This is the homogeneous second degree equation in x and y. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. The degree of ax square, the degree of x square is a 2. The degree of 2hxy is a 2 and the degree of by square is a 2. The degree of all variable is the same. This is the homogeneous second degree equation in x and y. Do you understand? We see that the one example of a homogeneous second degree equation in x and y. Therefore, the first example is verify that the combined equation of a lines 2x plus 3y equal to 0 and x minus 2y equal to 0 is a homogeneous equation of degree 2. Therefore, solution is the given equation of lines are, first equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 0. This is the equation first, and second equation is a given x minus 2y equal to 0. This is the equation second. The first equation is a 2x plus 3y equal to 0 and second is x minus 2y equal to 0. Joint the equation first and second. Joint the equation first and second. Therefore 2x plus 3y into x minus 2y equal to 0. 2x plus 3y into x minus 2y equal to 0. Therefore, we multiply 2x plus 3y into x minus 2y equal to 0. Therefore, we multiply 2x into x, 2x 2x into x 2x square, 2x into minus 2y minus 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, and x into y minus 4xy. Therefore we multiply 3y into x, we multiply 3y into x, 3xy, 3y into minus 2y, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, y into y is a y square equal to 0. Therefore 2x square minus 4xy plus 3xy, this addition is a minus xy, minus 4xy plus 3xy, minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 is minus xy, minus 6y square equal to 0. This is the homogeneous second degree equation. Verify that the degree of x square is a 2, the degree of minus xy, the degree of x is a 1, degree of y is a 1, and degree of y square is a 2, the degree of x square is a 2, the degree of xy is also 2, and degree of y square is a 2. The all variables of degree 2. This is the homogeneous second degree equation is verified. This is the homogeneous. This is the homogeneous. This is the homogeneous second degree equation. Second degree equation. This is the homogeneous second degree equation in x and y is also verified. Okay.